All right, here we go. This is an amazing opportunity here. 2017 GMC Savana Quigley 4x4 conversion, Explorer Limited SE conversion with kitchenette, roof air, and underside generator. The generator has 7 hours. This van has 48,000 miles. It is in like brand new condition. Not a speck of rust anywhere. Unbelievably rare, custom built from the factory. The original owner ordered this van exactly the way it is. We have all the original documentation on the build. It was all done professionally by Explorer and Quigley 4x4. This is not a homemade. High quality, and the condition is outstanding. I mean, it is mint. The inside is beautiful. 48,000 miles, clean Carfax, no stories, no rust. It's a 4x4 Explorer Limited SE, loaded out with everything. Roof air, generator, shore power, kitchen with fridge and a sink and a microwave. This is an unbelievable off-grid vehicle. It's ready to go now. It's got a rear folding bench seat bed. Show you how that works. This setup is awesome. It's got the little kitchenette there. That seat is also removable at any time if you wanted to travel with it or without it. This bed is power. And the nice part about this, the nice part about this is you could slide this forward and back if you wanted more room back here in the cargo area. The van also does come with the other original seat, brand new. It's never been used in the original plastic. This thing is like brand new. You got power outlets. Again, the generator has 7 hours. It starts and fires right up, so you can see this back seat swivels up and back, and also up and down to a bed. So this van is very versatile. It is a Quigley 4x4, so you know it can go anywhere. 6.0 liter V8. Again, it's a 2017 with 48,000 miles. The van's like new. Show you the inside of this bad boy. So this is the back passenger seat. Again, this seat pops right out if you want it to anytime. It has a rear kitchenette setup with a sink, microwave, and Norcold refrigerator, TV. Power's on. Again, it comes with all the original paperwork. Everything is there. Shows everything that was built in with the van. Got your shore power adapter there. Everything works, plugs right up. AC works, TV works. I mean, the van's hardly been used. The interior is like brand new condition. You can't duplicate this condition. It's amazing. It does have heated seats. You can see there's no warning lights on. This thing is an absolute gem. Navigation system, of course. Backup camera, of course. This thing is awesome. Front sunroof. I mean, there's nothing missing here. This is a power slider. Everything is working. Got your Quigley 4x4 shifter here. All power seating, of course. All your USB plugs everywhere. Microwave, fridge. All the condition of everything is nice. There's a couple little marks here on the top of the countertop of the kitchen. Otherwise, it's very nice. I'm going to show you the gen. As you can see, the generator has 7 hours and it fires right up. Starts right up, runs good, everything comes on, everything works the way it's supposed to. As you can see, the car, I mean, this thing is amazing. It doesn't look like they even used it at all. It looks like they ordered it as a spare vehicle and never used it. You got your USB plugs, all LED lighting everywhere. I mean, this thing is super nice. You could go off-grid camping, whatever you want. You got roof air. You can plug in or use the generator, whichever you want. And again, we have the full build sheet on this so that you know what's here, what's been used, what equipment, who did it, and when. It was all done from the factory at brand new. So this van was ordered this way. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. As you can see, the van is laser straight down the sides. I mean, it's very, very nice. If there's any mark on it, it's very superficial. The van's beautiful. No rust whatsoever. You can see the frame. It's in immaculate shape. It's not painted over. This is exactly the way we got it. You can see it's very, very nice. Tires, I would say, are about 60% good. They're not brand new, but they're not bad either. I wouldn't change them. Unless you want to go off-road, you can put some all-terrains on there. I mean, the seats, carpet, everything is mint. Heated seats, of course, told you that. 6-liter V8. There's no stories with this. It's a clean Carfax all the way. Things like brand new. There definitely is not another one like it on the market. If you're looking for something unique, four-wheel drive, this is it. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. Hate to even sell it. Never come across another one again. It's got a tow package, of course. Rear mount spare. I mean, this thing was well thought out when they built it. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. The roof is in excellent shape. It's original paints, no accidents, of course. Clean Carfax. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business going on 47 years. We're happy to help you anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. I can run you through the van. It's beautiful. Everything is working. Generator starts, runs great. All the equipment's working. Everything works. This thing is immaculate, 100% ready to go. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We only buy the absolute best, and we only sell the absolute best. This van will come with a warranty with the buy it now price, of course. 954-561-2499. If you have any other questions or concerns, we try to take as many photos and pictures as we can, videos, every angle. Thank you.